How to restrict group chat in Messenger. What is up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can restrict group chats in Messenger. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. The very first thing you want to do is open up your Messenger app and you have to make sure that you have the latest version of Messenger. For that, open up your Facebook app or your Play Store app and search for Messenger. And then once you have opened up your Messenger, make sure that there is no update button here. If there is, make sure to tap on it to update the app to its latest version. So if you go ahead and open up any group chat here and tap on it, then as you can see here, there is no active option to restrict the group chat completely. So what you can try to do is, first of all, head over to the members option and then tap on the members list. And the first option you could do is simply leave the chat if you don't need the chat anymore. But you can tap on see members, and then from here you are going to go ahead and select a particular profile. So you can restrict this profile on your Messenger. So go ahead and tap on message, tap on their profile, and then restrict their profile like this. So just tap on restrict, and you can do this for all the members in the group. You can tap on their name, tap on message, tap on their profile again, and then restrict all of their profile. You can individually restrict them, but there is no actual way to restrict the entire group. So if you don't want the messages or want to ignore the messages, then you can mute the messages notifications, tap on OK, and select the time. So I'm just going to select until I change it. And once you've done that, you won't get notified about the latest updates on the group, but whenever you want to see the messages, you will be able to do so because you have not left the group chat yet. So that's how you restrict a group chat in Messenger. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.